Hey guys, welcome back. Firstly, Team MaknMars would like to thank all of you wonderful people for the appreciation on our previous video. We are so glad you guys loved it. So coming back, a lot of you have been asking me how to reuse old plastic bottles that we have at home without having to buy any supplies. And we'll be trying this on 3 different things. One would be plastic, second wood, and third glass. So let's start. So for the first one, I'm going to use this plastic basket that I had lying around. You can directly start decoupaging onto this, but I would recommend giving it a coat of paint for more durability of the paper since we are going to use FEVICOL. After 2 coats of paint, let's decoupage it now. I had ordered a few decoupage paper from the Itsy Bitsy craft store. I'll link them below for you. If not, you can use printed tissue papers which are easily available in any supermarket. So I'm gonna take this mandala paper and cut these mandalas. It's not necessary to use the whole sheet. You can get creative and make a pattern of your choice. So I'm going to take 1 part FEVICOL and 1 part water to make it thin like this. Then let's just place the paper on the basket and take the FEVICOL and water paste and start pasting the paper like this. For those of you who don't know what decoupage is, it's the art of gluing decorative printed tissue papers onto the object with combination of different colors. Now keep this aside for drying. Till then, let's move on to the next object. So the second one is this box which I also ordered from Itsy Bitsy. I will leave the link for this one too. I painted this a neon pink color and I chose the floral pattern for this. So I'm gonna just repeat the same steps here. So guys, when you are using this kind of tissue paper, make sure to remove the backing from the paper, the white one. Because once you paste it on the object, there is a chance that the front paper, the printed paper, might come off. For the last and final object, I am using this Caventer's bottle. I am sure every Indian home must have this. So I'm gonna paint this a bright yellow. After 2 coats of paint, let's repeat the same steps. This technique would work exactly the same on plastic bottles too. Now let's see how these turned out. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful, and if you guys try out our DIYs, do send us pictures on our Instagram. I'll leave the handle in our description box and the screen as well. And if you like our creativity, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any suggestions, do let us know in the comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.